Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Croatia Vibes and my name is Katarina van der Voort and I live in Croatia. I've been living here for the past 6 years. This is the 7th year. So today I want us to do a fun video, and this is a crazy kind of Croatia delicacy. It's a Croatian delicacy, and actually I think a snack. Somebody offered it to me as a snack, and I was really surprised that they are very expensive here actually, because in my country we have something like this, but it is very cheap. It is known to be the food of the poor, but here it is a treat in Croatia. So this is called tvarci. It is written like this, as you can see. It is a kind of snack, so I'm going to try it and I see how it tastes, because when a friend of mine offered it to me, I was like, nah, I don't want it. But now, today, I thought, why not? It is always good to try something new. It is always good to have something interesting. And yes, because I am an explorer, I like adventurous things, but sometimes it can be too adventurous. But today I decided, let me just give it a try so that I see what it is. So my Croatian friend, it doesn't smell so good. My Croatian friend offered it to me, and hey, it looks like this. Okay. It is quite salty. I was curious how this kind of snack is prepared in Croatia, and I found out it's actually kind of pork. It's a pork, but they usually take the fatty pork. So what they do, they take it and then they cut it into pieces, and then after cutting it to pieces, here it is. I think it is something I should show you. So this is how it looks like, and yeah, this is how it looks like. It's really crunchy. So after they cut it into pieces, they put it in pot, and in that pot they add a little bit of water, and then they let it simmer. So it simmers slowly and for a long time, and then the idea is that the water will evaporate, and then the oil or the fat from the pork will also melt, and then the part that is remaining, it is this it is actually a difficult name to pronounce. It is Chevarachi. Hey Croatians, you can tell me whether I'm pronouncing it well. So it is Chevarachi, and actually I learned that that is how it is prepared. So if you are in a person who is into healthy stuff, or if you're vegetarian, don't buy this one in the shop, because sometimes you might think, oh, this one looks nice, let me buy it to go and try it. I promise you it has a very, very weird taste. And also I think sometimes I don't mind taking it with some bread or something, but it's not something I would take every day, because it is not really healthy according to me. But Croatians really like it, and apparently in this area it is really common in this Cordon area. So my friend told me this is a traditional kind of delicacy in this area. So when you go to the shop, she told me in recent years they've become very popular. Almost people who are having guests and they want to treat them nicely and they want to give them treats, then you'll find in many Croatian homes they have this it's called Čvarči. Croatians, you can tell me whether I'm pronouncing it well, but to be honest, it's just because now I'm used to the European tastes. Like, I'm used to the strong taste. I'm also used to very salty meat here in Croatia because, well, Croatians consume a lot of meat and, of course, a lot of salami and a lot of sausages. So, and most of them are spiced up with a lot of chili and a lot of salt. So then I get to actually understand and also get used to this kind of taste. Otherwise, I'll not be able to take the food in this area. I'll not be able to enjoy the meal in this area because most of it is salted and it has a lot of this kind of things. So then I think I'm still not sure what I can tell you because I don't think I've seen it anywhere else except here in Croatia. And also in my country, we have something similar but not the same. But I think in my country, in especially where I come from, they call it garango. So, and here it is called Čvarči. Čvarči is, this is in Croatian language. So then you can you can find it like in stores around Kodun area or around Plitvice area, and it is really common with many people, and many people like to eat it. And I find it, yeah, this is very new for me, and I think it will be new for you too. Tell me, would you try something like this? It is just basically fat, but drained fat. So it has very little meat in it, and when you eat it, it is crunchy. So if you eat it with some bread, then it can be tasty. But to be nice, if you don't want to disappoint your Croatian host, then it will be nice for you to eat it if it is offered to you. But for me, I usually would not buy it. I actually just bought it because of this video, so that I can show you one of the snacks that I think are so weird in Croatia. This is a weird snack. Like, it has become a delicacy and an expensive delicacy. And to me, I think it feels like it's something that I will not really want to buy in a shop or pay a lot of money for it. So that's why I think it's one of the weirdest snacks I've ever eaten in Croatia. And yeah, let me know what you think. Would you eat such a thing? Yes, I made it for you. I made this video for you, and I hope that when you come to Croatia, maybe you're going to try it, maybe you're going to like it, and maybe you're going to carry it to your country as a souvenir to your friends, so that you can show it to your friends. I also learned that it is also a delicacy, or it is also very common in Serbia and areas around this area in Kodun and Lika. This is one of the traditional delicacies that are here in this country and are available here. So thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video.